my name's Warren, I'm 54, I live in Beaconsfield in Buckinghamshire. This is my review of the Ryobi cordless pole saw. So as you can see, the whole unit comes in 3 separate pieces. You have, this is the bottom part of the pole, obviously you need this part whatever you're doing. This is where the battery goes. This uses the Ryobi max power battery. This is the 2 amp hour one, which will give me roughly 56 cuts. There are bigger batteries up to 12 amp hours if that's what you need. Obviously the bigger the battery, it will give you more cuts. This is the actual trigger that you need to pull to activate the unit. It has this safety catch. If I pull that trigger, it won't move unless I release that safety lever first. And then obviously you can see it will work at that point. You need to keep it held in. You have this strap which you can wear over your shoulder. That's going to give you some extra stability, particularly when it's at its full extent of 3 meters. And you also have this handle, which is easy to adjust. You just need to that, and then you can turn that however, whatever angle you need, depending on what you're cutting. And then just do it up again. You have the extension pole, and then you have, this is the end of the unit. Obviously this is where everything happens. In there, you've got the blade. There is a tensioning screw that you can use to adjust the blade. There should be a little bit of give in it, but not too much. And you also need to oil the unit. You do get a little bottle of Ryobi bar and chain oil with the unit itself. That bottle literally filled that whole basically filled all that up. You will need to replace that at some point, but that's easily available online. So, putting it all together, nice and simple. Just get the matching ends. As you can see, there's arrows, they indicate where they go, which way round it goes, so they only go one way. So you just push it in, screw it up, do that tight, and then just do the same with this end. So again, you just line up the arrows, screw it up tight. And there you have it, completed pole saw at its full 2.9 meter length. Okay, let's show you it in action. As with all tools, you should wear the appropriate safety measures. So I'll be wearing glasses just in case anything should fall into my eyes. And on the safety switch and the trigger, and then let's go. So I'm going to try and take down this really high branch here that I would have no chance of reaching normally unless I was up on a ladder, and that's not something I fancy doing. So let's see what this does. And there you have it. Very, very easy, very, very quick. As I said previously, there is a lot of power in this, and this tool is going to be very, very good for cutting down those hard to reach branches, as you just saw.